Alright, YouTube, I told y'all we were swapping this here rear end out. I didn't do too much so far. I disconnected the emergency brake cable. Y'all see it laying on the ground up there. I also disconnected those shocks. Next, not the shocks, the airbags. Next, I'm gonna disconnect those here shocks. I'm gonna disconnect those shackles for the leaf springs. Take the wheels off, and we're gonna drop this thing down. So y'all tune in, baby. Comment, like, share, subscribe. We're trying to get this thing out of here today. I also did disconnect the drive shaft as well. Just gotta pop it out the rear end yoke. Just sprayed the parts in the rear end. Y'all see SS out there. You got the badges coming. Just sprayed my parts. Still got that fan rolling. Probably cut him off. About to cut him off right now, y'all. Hold on. Trying to cut him off. Oh, we wet. We ready to get that other door trim up in there. Got me another, yeah. Got a trim right there. That was the hole up to match that one over there. That's the other end piece. Got the little side skirts. You hear me? So let's get back on this rim, baby. Yeah, we got that shock there that we gotta get out of there. We gotta remove him. So I'm gonna put my crescent wrench on one side and my gun on the other. It'll get him out of there. Got the nut off. Take that bolt out. We got him out of there. We're gonna attack our other side right quick. Get him out of there as well. Alright, gang. While I'm on this here side, I'm gonna see if I can loosen all of these here bolts up. So that'll be done. And we won't have to come back to it. I'll move this here plate off of here. This side is pretty loose, pretty much loose. I'll pull this here rim off. I'm gonna hop on my other side and knock everything else out, and we should be able to drop this baby down. Pull our bolt out. Take our clam off of them. I'm gonna go ahead on and pop that shaft out of place. So we can slide him out the way. Oh, so he can't right off. We're gonna lay him to the side. Tie off and set him to the side, gang. Alright, y'all. So I got the jack under the rear end. I'm gonna go ahead on and drop it down. We're gonna work on trying to get this thing from under here. Alright, I have it. low as it could go. I'm gonna cut that brake line, pull the emergency brake cables out, and we're gonna try to get this here written up out of here. Alright gang, y'all see these emergency brake cables? I got me a pair of pliers. I gotta get them out of there, so all I'm doing is squeezing the little clips. See that one? Squeeze the clips on this other one. Alright, so got both of those out of there. I'm just gonna pull them back about the way so we can have that clearance to put our new ones in there. That's one. Let's get this other one out of here. That's two. Next thing we gonna do, like I said, got a little razor knife. I'm just gonna cut the air lines that's going to the airbags. Y'all see, it's on a little bright, but you see I done got the driver's side. I had to pry the passenger side down. Now, take that connector out of there. About ready to come. I should be able to just grab him some pliers or something, break him right out of there. The bags seem good. We ain't gonna reuse them right now, so I really ain't worrying about them. My focus on getting it ran out of here and getting the new one installed. See, I got it disconnected. Only thing holding us up now is this brake line, but first I'm gonna try to make sure that I break it free from this here spacer. It shouldn't be bolted on because they wouldn't have no spacer. And get it all the way down, then I'll undo that brake line, get it ran from under here, and go back with our new one. Let's get on it. I'm gonna drop it down. Okay, he came this time. He came this time. I'm gonna try to get him back on the jack and be able to slide him from under there. I'm gonna get the other rear end out the garage, and my parts should be pretty dry. And try to get him rolled up under here so we can get ready to install it. So I'm gonna dig this one here out, my disc brakes, and I'm gonna go ahead on and get ready to put him up under our truck. Y'all see, baby girl? Yes, sir. Y'all like that? Alright, gang, y'all see, I just slid the old one from under there. I'm about to go with mine. I'm about to slide it up under there and hurry up and get that brake line connected so I won't drip that much fluid. I'm gonna connect that brake line and I'll cut y'all on in a minute. Alright gang, y'all see we got the rear end mounted to our leaf springs. Next, I'm gonna remove these shocks off of those out this old rear end. So I use those bolts. Got me some brand new shocks right here I'm installed. I'm gonna run those emergency brake lines to the front and connect the drive shaft as well. So let's get that knocked out and I'll tune back in with y'all. Alright gang, next I'm gonna go ahead on and route these here emergency brake lines to the front exactly where I need them so I can get these connected and tied in as well. See, we got 2 of them. We're gonna route those exactly where it needs to be. Y'all see the old drive shaft, it doesn't match this rear end. I'm gonna take him out of there so we can put our new one in. Hopefully he don't leak any fluid. Alright, all this is shaft. Y'all see he went right up in there. Alright, next I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna reinstall the shocks and we can connect these here emergency brake lines. Get those popped in there as well. Y'all see we got some brand new shocks here. We're gonna install these. Get those on the vehicle. Y'all see how that's done? Now I can put my nut on him. Next, we'll try to go ahead and knock out the passenger side as well. Alright gang, while I go grab those caps for the drive shaft, I'm gonna go ahead on and self-bleed these brakes here. So y'all see I got the bottle connected to the brake line on my fitting, running in the upright position. I'm gonna crack my line open. Hopefully it's not too tight. Oh man, look at this shit here. I done broke the damn line off in the caliper. So that caliper gonna have to be replaced. I think I got warranty on it. Damn. In the meantime, I guess I could try to crack it right here and let it maybe self-bleed. Just get some fluid going to the line. See if I can get him broken. And he's tight as well. God damn it. See a little fluid dripping out of there. Try to let them gravity feed to it. Alright. In the meantime, I'm gonna go grab those joints. A piece of sandpaper, hit those ends, and we're gonna get that drive shaft installed. Lightly, to knock that surface rust off of there. Now we got our caps here. I'm just gonna make sure that they fit. They look like they're the right ones. So next, I got me some Darren grease. I'm just gonna add me a little bit of that up in each cap. Pop one of them on. And I got my other one right here. Add a little bit in it as well. Alright gang, drive shaft in. We still gotta work on bleeding these brakes. I guess I could go ahead on and connect these here emergency brake lines right quick, get that knocked out. There's actually clips on the end of these lines, so we'll bend these here clips out just to make sure that they grip or grab in the frame. So you want to bend these out Probably be best if we had like a little pick tool, which I do have one. Might have to go grab them if we can't get them out enough. I'm gonna try with this flathead. Yeah, I'm gonna need that pick tool to make sure they out good enough. But in the meantime, we can run them up to that point up here through our frame. Oh, there's two of them. We're gonna run one. Then we gonna run our second one. And we'll see how they latch on to there. You just gotta pull it forward and lock our line down in place. All right, so let me just see. I could probably bend those clips out afterwards. I mean, they might be held in good enough. So with that, we just gotta tighten up this here nut. All right, after that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna see if I can get those shocks locked down on the top side of our frame. We got our nut here. Lock him down. Put my crushing ridge on it. What up, YouTube? What's around? I'm checking in, baby. So this how y'all see. We left off on the truck. We got the body on the frame. We got the motor connected and stuff. I'm gonna connect these few little wires, few little hoses. Get these fenders on here. Y'all see the old frame right here. Let me show y'all where it was bent at. You can actually see it good from up front. You see how it's twisted. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but you definitely can see how it's twisted. So I'm about to get that done. Try to get this bed on here so I can bring the truck back to the house, guys. Time to wrap it up, baby. Stop playing. So comment, like, share, subscribe. Let's get it.